little different. I don't think I've seen one out there yet. We're going to make a skull out of the head of the spike. First off, you're going to want to take the head of the spike, flatten it out. Just put it side down. Here's that after it's fully flattened out. I got a little ahead of myself and started doing the cut. Alright, here is that. Ways when I do that first hit. Almost like that. These are pretty simple, easy to make. I've been messing around with listening to some videos tonight, but pendant, you can Christmas ornament if you want skulls on your tree. Have a good night.